Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today in this video I will explain the real life application of AutoCAD, that how we can use AutoCAD in real life. For example, if your house is more complicated in shape and you have to calculate the area of your house. For example, first I will draw the shape. If it is in this shape, more complicated, and you have to calculate the area of this shape, so it requires a lot of tedious calculation. AutoCAD can help us to calculate the area of this kind of shape more easily. So let's begin. First you have to select your unit. For example, if your house is in feet, you have to select feet. If your house is in meter, you have to select meter. So make sure first of all that your workspace is in drafting and annotation, and then go to utilities and then move on the arrow and click on the measure arrow. You can also calculate the volume, area, and if you are required angle, so you can also calculate angle, radius. So first of all we select unit. So for selecting unit you have to input from keyboard UN and enter. So it is in meter. If your house is in meter, you have to select meter. If your house is in feet, you have to select feet. I select meter, so I selected meter and then click on OK. Then you have to draw your house shape. For example, if it in this side it is 10 meter and this side 5 meter and 6 meter in this side and something like this, you have to calculate the area of this shape with the help of AutoCAD. So it is more easily to find out the area of this kind of shape with AutoCAD. But if you have to calculate the area of this kind of shape without AutoCAD, so it is required a lot of tedious calculation. So first you have to draw your house shape and then go to utilities and just simply double enter from keyboard, double enter from keyboard, or just go to utilities and then click on measure and then click on area and then select all the corners. I select this one and this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So selecting all the corners. I selected all the corners and then press enter from the keyboard. So here you can see the area appears on the screen. It is 144.3162 meters square. This is the area and this is the perimeter. Perimeter is the length of all the lines that are joined together. Area is the bounded region of these lines, the outer lines that are the area is the region inside the bounded lines. So perimeter is the length of these lines that are outside. So this is the whole length of these lines. If you are add the length of this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, so it is called perimeter. And area appear on the screen. You can also calculate volume if you are required volume. For example, some calculation you are required volume, you can also calculate its volume. And if in some cases you are required angle between two lines, for example, you have to require angle between two lines, if one line in this direction and one in this direction, and you have to calculate the angle between them. So then you have to go utilities and then again click on measure and then click on angle. You have to select this line and this line, so the angle appear between these two lines. It is 38 degree. You can also measure the radius of circle or something like that, for example area, volume, and so much more thing, distance. So this is for the application of AutoCAD, that how we can use it in real life. So thanks for watching.